Good morning, Sunrisers. I'm Dr. Gettinger here at Emerson Animal Hospital, and I've got a wonderful story to tell you. This is PETA. She is a really, really sweet baby that came to us for boarding a couple weeks ago, and I talked to her owner, and she actually has a very, very bad disease that's a lifelong thing for her. She has something called I.B.D, Irritable Bowel Disease. It's similar to IBS in humans, so she basically has allergies for her GI tract. So PETA has been on steroids for a very long time. She was prescribed that when she was first diagnosed at Mississippi State, and she's been doing pretty well, but the thing is, we don't want these guys to be on steroids for a long time because it can cause major side effects after a while. So I sat down and talked with PETA's mom, and we decided to do a couple different things. There are new medications on the market that help these guys handle their IBD so much better, so they're not having to be on steroids for a long period of time, and they don't have to have those side effects either from the steroids. So we started weaning PETA off of these steroids because she'd been on them for about a year to 2 years, and all of a sudden she started feeling a little bit better. She was less lethargic, and she started running around more. The other thing we decided to do was change her diet. One thing about these guys that have IBD is they have an allergy to certain proteins or certain grains. So we do have special prescription diets that help these guys. We have some examples here. It's the I.D, which for her, she was on the low fat, or we have something called ZD. And what these do is they actually take certain proteins out of her system so she can digest her food better. Just like people who are allergic to gluten and they only can eat certain things, these dogs that have IBD can only eat certain foods. So by changing her diet and getting her on a different medication so she has less side effects, PETA has been doing quite well. So if your dog is having any kind of GI problems, please call us. I promise you, your pets will thank you.
WCBI Animal Health with Dr. Emerson was brought to you by Emerson Animal Hospital in West Point.